Today we will learn more about LWC router. Today we will see how to change route using JavaScript function and how to pass parameter in the URL using LWC router and how to pass query in the URL using LWC router. So let's go with the JavaScript function. Okay, for the JavaScript function, in my hello world component, I am creating a button here. Okay, lightning button, and I am using a on click event here, and method is change or change my route. Label as redirect. So I am creating a chain function in my hello world JS. For a better understanding, guys, you can see my previous video. Okay, so I have created my chain function here. So for this I am creating a utility. Okay, so this is, I'm not going to use HTML here. Okay, I just want to use only JS file. So I am using this export constant utility. I am writing a function here, change route. This function will have a parameter named as path. So I am going to use JavaScript window.location replace method. So window.location origin plus window.location path name. We are using hash in our client. So here will be a path. Okay, so just import this utility in our hello world. Import utility from utility. Okay, utility change router name as path. Sorry, about. So I just want to go on the about route. Okay, so deploy utility first. Then deploy hello world. Then check it. Let's click on it. Where is our utility is? Okay, the method name is change route. So we are using voucher. So just write again. Click on it. So you can check it. Now we are on about page. Okay. So by this JavaScript function, you can change the route. So this one is completed. So remove it. Now go to next, how to pass param in the URL using LWC router. Point, how to pass parameter in the URL. Let's go ahead. For the second point, I have created a LWC component about. So let's see in this about component. I am showing data here. I have created a variable user and showing the name using the name variable in my HTML about user name. Okay, so here I am showing the first data. Okay, just let's see. Name is Varun. Okay, okay, so now we are going to use a method how to pass a parameter, how to pass a ID in the URL as a parameter. Okay, there is a ID in a user 1 2 3. So now we will get a ID from the another component. Okay, Let's start. So I'm going to change in my redirect method. Just come this hello JS. Okay, so I'm passing a ID here. Okay, name as 2. Okay, for this change we just need to change in our, let's deploy it in our route config also for a parameter. Okay, in the about, so we are getting a parameter as a ID. Okay, so we just need to write it path like this. Okay, and deploy it. Then what will be the next step? Just come to our about JS. Okay, just make this function async. Okay, and use await. Now I am going to use get param method of LWC router. Okay, so param.id this dot user param.id. Okay, I'm getting error here. Oh, sorry, here is some error. Yeah, param, yeah, this dot user and param dot id, then we will get a parameter id. Okay, then we are going to assign to name. Okay, just let's import get param from LWC. Let's continue with the deployment of this about component. Deploy this. Okay, and also deployed route config. I need to deploy hello world also. This deployment is for get param function. Okay, we are getting 404 because we are using ID in our route. ID parameter, so we have to give ID like 1. Can show the name for Varun, like 2 delete 3 Praveen. So you can check it here in about JS ID 1 Varun, 2 delete 3 Praveen. 3 Praveen. Let's check it with the redirect function. Delete. So we was passing ID 2 from the hello world component like this. So you can pass any ID like 3 to get a specific data based on ID. So you like this, you can use a parameter in the routing. Remind one thing, you have to declare a parameter in path also. Okay, like id. Okay, I have changed id to 3, so it should be Parveen. It is completed the second point. Remove it. And how to pass query in the URL using LWC router. Let's go ahead. I just want to pass query like name. Let's create another component. Name as users. Okay. So in this user component, we will get a query parameter, the username, user first name and last name. Okay. So from the hello world component, I'm changing my route to user. Route name as users. Check in the route config. Users. Yeah. And the query name is equal to Praveen. And last name is equal to Yadav. Okay. Let's deploy it. And check it. We are getting a parameter. Okay, so how we will get a parameter from this URL in our component? Let's go to our user route. So first of all, we have to create a component user. Okay, I have already created before. So let's go to JS file, use a sync connected callback. Get query method. This is get query method of LWC router. Import it. Use this function. Okay. Declare name, last name. This dot name is equal to param dot name. This dot last name is equal to param dot last name. Just check the parameter name, last name, and use this variable in the HTML. First name, last name, and deploy it. And check. I'm not getting anything here. because I need to change div here with the user element and deploy it again with users. Let's check it. So I'm getting first name Parveen and last name Yadav. So come to my home and redirect with first name and last name. If I change the first name last name here in my hello world component, like Varun Verma, deploy it. Check this, Varun Verma. Thank you guys. If you like a video, please like and subscribe it.